Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Afterpay on Best Buy. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to go to afterpay.com and log in into your account. Now once here, you need to type into the search section, Best Buy. And from here, you'll see the option that says Best Buy gift cards. Just click on that and you'll be redirected to the page for Best Buy. Now here you could choose the amount that you want to buy. So we have $10 up until to $500. Now if you want to more details about this one, just expand the details section. And if you want to see the expiration, which is no expiry, and to see the terms and conditions, just click on it. Now from here, you could choose the buy for yourself or send a friend. And once you click on that, you just need to provide your details here, which is your first name, last name, your email, and the confirmation for your email. And from there, you'll be led to the payment section to confirm the transaction. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.